Meaning of dereference.
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 Dereference. Dereferencing is the act of accessing the value referred to by a pointer. It involves following the memory address stored in the pointer and retrieving the data stored at that memory location. When a pointer is dereferenced, the result is the value of the variable pointed to by the pointer. If the pointer is null or uninitialized, dereferencing it can result in undefined behavior, which can lead to crashes or unpredictable results. Dereferencing is a common operation in computer programming, especially in languages like C and C++.